Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. So I'm gonna start off by saying, I guess we're doing a car vlog today. I apologize for that, but I'm also hurting right now because it's cold as my girlfriend's heart out here. So she's sick today, and apparently I'm not allowed to film in the house because I always yell in my videos and it's gonna give her a headache. Are you kidding me? Are you f***ing kidding me? God, leave it to girls to tell you you're gonna do something before you even do it. I don't even yell that much. Anyway, so F my girlfriend, literally and figuratively. Let's get in this video. So before we get started, I do want to say real quick that we are once again doing the challenge that we haven't actually got to yet, but I'm really stoked for it, boys. Not really, but I think it's gonna be good content. 2,000 thumbs up within a day in this video, and I'm gonna shave my head bald and tattoo a Supreme box logo on it. You know, I don't think you guys understand how goofy I'm gonna actually look. Like, I got a weird head. I got like a midget head, you know, like the heads that midgets have. Not trying to be offensive right now, but I have that, but opposite. I have a really, really small one, and it's weirdly shaped, whatever that means. Also, leave comments down below. It shares the video more, and we get more money, which we like. We like money, so that's dope. Anyway, originally for this video, I was actually gonna update you guys on my whole situation of getting scammed for $15,000. I actually have an answer as to how that all worked out. And I was gonna do that because I didn't have a package that came in the mail for today. However, I actually got one, so we're gonna turn this video into that, but I am gonna update you guys real quick because a lot of you guys have been asking how that turned out. Also, it tickles my wiener a little bit to know that you guys care. I'm letting you guys know right now, today, and I was waiting to update you guys, today, I finally got my money back into PayPal. If you guys don't know what happened, I bought a Supreme pinball machine off eBay, and it turned out that I just bought like a 5x7 picture of a Supreme pinball machine for $15,000, which wasn't even an 8x10, and it wasn't even packaged cool. Like, if you're gonna scam me 15 grand on a picture, at least make it big. At least big enough to frame on my wall. So anyway, that's the update. For all y'all that were wondering, I got my money back, which means we're gonna be having a lot of money videos in this next little while because I got my money back. I can't speak. All right, so getting into the pickup, I actually opened this up a little bit. I haven't looked what's in it yet. It's still a little bit taped, but I know exactly what it is. It's really weird because this came really, really fast. You guys know there was just a Yeezy restock for the Yeezy white ones, I think they're called. Yeah, the white ones, the pearly ones. They look like my but a lot bigger. So those came apparently today, which literally was 2-day shipping, which is insane. I thought we may as well unbox them in the video and let you know my thoughts on them. You know what I mean? You guys know I'm just gonna destroy them and make a bunch of cool customs with them, but I thought we'd unbox them to have more content because that's key to making more money on YouTube. I swear I'm not in this for my money. I'm also in it for nudes that you guys send me a Selena Gomez slips when you find them. You guys hit me up on Instagram and I really appreciate it. It's a really bro move. All right, so getting into it, we're not gonna do the whole unboxing thing. I actually ordered 2 pairs of these. I don't know if I'm gonna keep one of them yet. I was thinking of maybe giving one away. I guess they only ship one at a time. But you guys let me know if you may want a pair. Thumbs up this video and that'll let me know. If it actually does get 2,000 thumbs up within this video, then we actually will give that pair away. That's kind of why I bought it. But without further ado, boys, you guys let me know if you scored on these Yeezys. We got the Yeezys in 11 right here, and we're just about to open it up like open up butt cheeks. Ugh, God, I'm trying to act cool, but it just comes off really creepy. I think this is probably the 5th or 6th pair I've actually owned of real white ones in the past. Oh, a plastic. Oh. This is what I ordered? Oh, damn it, damn it, damn it! Idiot! God damn it! Oh, these are, okay, sorry, my bad. Oh, there's people looking at me now. I'm in a walkway right now where people go walking with their family because people have family that care about them. Damn! Alright, so, shoot! What a ruiner. What a ruiner. As y'all can see, we have the Yeezys that have not released yet. These are the sample pair of the SESAME ones. And I actually got this for an Instagram ad video. And apparently I'm stupid and I thought I'd do 2-day shipping from Adidas to Canada. God, I should have known. All right, I guess we'll do a review on these. Honestly, if you guys want to be a YouTuber, it doesn't help being retarded. You know what I mean? This probably was gonna get us views if I actually titled the video the way I would. Actually, oh my gosh, Adidas just sold me the wrong shoes? The sample ones came instead? With the Adidas receipt? Oh yeah, we're gonna make that work. Sorry for the clickbait, I guess, but it's true because I got the wrong shoes from Adidas, so this works. Just bear with me. All right, so we were gonna do an Instagram ad video on these. These are really, really sick. I don't know if they're real. However, I did get them from a source that I have gotten samples from in the past. I actually did find them off an Instagram ad a long time ago, so I revisited their website and decided to pick these up for a video. But these are actually the Yeezys that are gonna be dropping in October, per se, maybe. I don't really know. Actually, that could be not factual at all. while. I just said a month, but these look really dope. I mean, if you guys are looking for sample Yeezys and y'all want some of these, maybe I'll give them away. Let's do a quick legit check. The boost is real. We got the Yeezy right here. Is this a fail, or are you guys stoked that we found these in the box? You guys let me know with a thumbs up and a comment so we get more money. And money gets you hookers, and hookers gets you points. Points to your scorecard of how many girls you slept with. I'm at 0. That's why we're looking for money. The thing with any fake Yeezy is you can usually cradle your balls really nicely within this part of the shoe. And honestly, this looks like I could really cradle my balls in it quite well. So these actually look a little fake to me, which pisses me off. But yeah, I guess these are the first look at what these may or may not look like when they come out, because these may or may not be samples. You guys let me know what you think about them. I don't know when they're coming out, if they're dropping or not. I really effed up on this video. It's time for chilling with NameBran.
It's time for chilling with NameBran.
And welcome to Chill with NameBran, uncut, uncircumcised. Get this video to 10 minutes. We try not to drag out the video in this way, and then I can talk towards the end. So get it to 10 minutes to chill with y'all. First off, a little rig up right now, bro. We got this right here. I got my window smashed in like 2 weeks ago, and then there's still a bunch of stuff. Guess what though? I did not make a video about it. Shots fired, right? Anyway, I thought I'd take the time right now to discuss with you guys my efforts to meeting Selena Gomez, because this will happen at one point. I want to let you guys know that I am taking the measures to make this happen. Now, I wrote this message to Puma a little while ago. We had a little conversation, one-sided, because they didn't reply to me back yet. But here's what I said, and I just want you guys to know I'm very serious about this. I gotta shit so badly right now. Holy crap, I'm in the woods too. Anyway, here's what it says. I wrote this to them. I'm really trying to extend an olive branch, and this is over Instagram messages. Started off like this. Hi, period. All my buddies are getting free shoes from you guys? They are. All my buddies are getting free shoes. I was like, I get it though. You think old NameBran's too good for Puma? Honestly, I was. However, I decided to give y'all a second chance after seeing the flippin' flames y'all bitches be putting out lately. They got some dope shoes they've been putting out lately. I gotta compliment them to show them I want to work with them. It's kind of how this works, you know what I mean? So consider me in. Also, this has nothing to do with Selena Gomez joining the brand, obviously, with one of these faces, one of those emojis. But I do want in my contract that I will get to spend a day with her on your dime. But once again, I like your shoes and I'll review them or whatever. So I wrote this back in August. Now I still haven't gotten a response, and I just wrote a follow-up. Just following up, boys. You probably typed out a message and forgot to send it. So we're waiting back there. Just know that I am expending all of my efforts and all of my resources to make this work. And Puma, if you're watching this video right now, I think your shoes are kind of sick. I'm not in it for Selena Gomez at all. But once again, I need to meet her if I'm going to be working with you guys. And I also need to get paid to meet her. I would like to get paid for spending the time that I am spending with her at your event. So that's a little open letter to Puma. Maybe we'll make a video about this sometime. Expending more of my resources, maybe emailing them or something. That's how that's going. Also, you guys have been wondering why I'm not at SneakerCon London. We had a wedding for my girlfriend's friend who's getting married. Bro, we're 23 years old. Are you dumb? Anyway, I had to go to this wedding, which means I couldn't go to London. This wedding's been planned for a year, because apparently people plan weddings like a year in advance nowadays, which I think is dumb too. I think everything about that's dumb, but I had to go. But I will be at SneakerCon Toronto in October. So if you guys are Canadian like I am, you want to see a fellow Canadian retard in the flesh, then you can come say hi and kick me in the balls if you want to, because I probably deserve it. Also, I'll probably kick a few of you guys in the balls for a sick thumbnail or something, like kicking a 6-year-old in the balls at SneakerCon. I won't do that, but I should. Anyway, appreciate y'all for watching this video. What else do you have to say? I'm really stoked actually about getting my money back. I really wanted to get into that further, but I didn't want to drag out the video too much at the beginning of the video. You guys let me know if you're happy for me, or if you were secretly wishing, and I won't hold you, I won't hold this against you. If you were secretly wishing for me to not get my money back, because that's good content, let me know that too, because I know if I was watching a YouTuber that I didn't necessarily respect, but I was entertained by, I hope you're not getting your money back, because I want to see you yelling. I want to see you yelling at the camera and honestly pissing yourself a little bit out of extreme fear for how your mom's going to react, which is what I was doing the whole time. My God, I got a call from my mom that day. She flipped out on me. Brad, you flipping idiot. You blah, 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 blah. I didn't raise an absolute retard. Da, 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 da. That happened. So I've got lots of support on my end. Don't worry about me, obviously. Which is why I'm sitting in a car right now, because I'm kicked out of my house for now. Anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. You guys let me know if this was a failure of a video, or honestly, I think this is better. I wish we actually did a sneaker a sneaker Instagram video on these, but this is better than getting the real white ones, I guess, which is what this video was going to be. You guys seeing sneakers you've already seen a million times. So, yeah, that's that. Appreciate y'all for watching. NameBran fams, real strong merc in the game, the greatest of all time. You all are the GOATs. Yeezy Killer hoodies are probably going to restock on Friday. Yeah, probably Friday when y'all get your paychecks in, and then spend it all on the website. All right, catch y'all later. Plow.